Question 2. What is an exception? How do you handle an exception in Python? Exceptions are errors detected during the execution of a program. Unlike syntax errors, which are detected by the Python interpreter before the program runs, exceptions are raised during runtime when an unexpected condition is encountered. They disrupt the normal flow of the program's instructions and signal that an error has occurred. Built-in exceptions come in different types, like zero division error, raised when we attempt to divide by zero, type error, when an operation is applied to an object of inappropriate type, and file not found error, when we try to open a file that doesn't exist. We can also create our own exceptions by defining a new class that inherits from the built-in exception class. Here's an example of a custom exception. In this piece of code, negative age error is a custom exception that we raise if the age is negative. It has a clear and specific error message. Age cannot be negative. Exception handling is a fundamental part of writing reliable code. So how do we as programmers deal with these errors? Python provides us the try-except blocks for this very purpose. Let's take the instance of zero division error. In the try block, we place the code that might raise the exception. If the exception occurs, the control is transferred to the except block. Of course, in this example, attempting to divide by zero raises the zero division error, which we catch and handle by printing an appropriate message. An important thing to note is that we can use the base exception class as a wildcard to catch almost any exception. However, it's considered good practice to be as specific as possible with the types of exceptions we intend to handle. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Pragya Ghosh, and I'll see you next time.